More and more major food brands and food manufacturers are upgrading their products in line with the demands of the rapidly growing health-conscious market. Consumers want healthy foods and will pay more for them. To keep your market share, you need to find ways to upgrade your chosen ingredients and their health image in the eyes of your customers. If you're looking for the next healthy super ingredient, look no further. Seaweed is the answer. And not just any seaweed, Seakura Super Seaweed. Because Seakura is the only organic seaweed in existence. The only seaweed grown in land-based eco-pools using our super seaweed technology, and the only seaweed cultivated away from the polluted ocean. Seakura Super Seaweed is a premium, clean, super healthy ingredient, richer in minerals and protein than any other fruit, seaweed or vegetable. It contains all 9 essential amino acids and more nutritional fibres, vitamins, carotenoids and antioxidants. Our super seaweed contains twice as much fibres as kale or broccoli and 12 times as much magnesium as a banana. In nutrition terms, no other food comes close. It is quite simply the king of superfoods. Seakura Super Seaweed is a versatile ingredient and an excellent addition to almost any food product. It can be processed in a variety of ways, from dry powder to mashed, pureed or freshly chopped, and can be easily integrated into any of your existing production lines. You can add Seakura Super Seaweed to a huge variety of foods, from processed meat and seafood to pasta, baked goods and soups. Sauces and dressings, and even dairy products, smoothies and shakes will benefit. In fact, our Super Seaweed will upgrade almost any product, adding proteins, minerals and vitamins without discoloration or affecting the taste. More and more manufacturers are choosing Super Seaweed as a way to say to their customers, "We care about your health." Seakura Super Seaweed, the super way to boost your brand.